welcome back. Today we're going to be unboxing the next in the Build and Decorate Your Dollhouse. This time, guys, it's none other than number 113. But before we get into this, make sure to hit that beautiful red subscribe button. And guys, make sure to hit the bell so that way YouTube will be able to let you guys know whenever I post something new or whenever I start a new live stream. And of course, guys, if you like this collection, if you like this unboxing, make sure to leave a like down below. And of course, guys, make sure to go on over and subscribe to my awesome husband's channel, which is called Cosas para Tener. It's a Spanish-speaking channel that does giving how-tos, reviews, unboxings, lots of cool stuff, guys. I will have his links down in the description below. And well, guys, with that being said, let's go ahead, let's get into this. Alright guys, so we have everything out of the initial plastic and now it's time to check out the magazine. Up at the top we have the title of the collection, Build and Decorate Your Dollhouse, of course in the Victorian style. And down below it says enjoy this elegant and spectacular home of your dreams. This, guys, is the number 113. If you would like to see the previous 112, all you have to do is check out the playlist located in the end cards in the end of this video. And well, let's open this up. And here it talks about the first floor of the Blau home. I hope I'm pronouncing that correctly. But I highly doubt it because I'm not quite sure how to pronounce that. But oh well, I gave it a shot. And wow, it's really pretty. Here in the bottom, as always, it puts each of the different items that are in the picture up above. And well, let's continue on. And well, it looks like a really beautiful house with lots of little details. There is a bit in a bit better focus. And here, guys, it walks you through how to put these new little cardboard pieces for the roof, which I will show you in just a minute. Here it just walks you through how to glue them down, like as far as the layering and tools and that kind of thing. But well, make sure to stay tuned, guys, because soon we are going to be building this dollhouse, because soon this collection will be ending. For what I know of, it ends in the 120, and we are coming close to that, guys. So we're going to be building the dollhouse here, as well as all of the little projects in the book to decorate the house. So make sure to hit the red subscribe button, make sure to hit the bell, so that way YouTube will be able to let you guys know whenever we post something new or whenever I start a new live stream. And of course, guys, if you like this collection, if you like this unboxing, make sure to leave a like down below. I'm really excited. I know I've said it in previous videos. I cannot wait to have this collection completed and we can build the dollhouse with you guys. I'm pretty excited about it. But well, here we have the end with the front of the dollhouse. And well, Now it's time to see the new addition to our dollhouse. So let's go ahead and let's do that now. Alright guys, so here we have our new addition to our dollhouse. It's more of these little tiles for the roof, which we will be painting and putting, well, on the roof. And it'll make a cool like tiling effect. I'm pretty excited about it. Well, let me just turn the other side. You have to be really careful with these because you don't want to lose any of them, because as you saw, they come apart really easy. And well guys, that's the end of that. You guys tell me, what do you guys think about this number? Tell me it down in the comments below. As always, I look forward to hearing from you guys. And well guys, I hope you enjoyed this unboxing. If you did, make sure to leave a like down below. And guys, if you haven't yet, make sure to hit that red subscribe button. And guys, down in the description below, I will have the links to all of my social media. So my Twitter, my Facebook, my Instagram, everything linked down in the description below. I look forward to seeing you guys on there. And of course guys, make sure to go on over and subscribe to my awesome husband's channel, which is called Cosas Partner. It's a Spanish speaking channel that does gaming how-tos, reviews, unboxings, lots of cool stuff guys. I will have his links down in the description below. And well guys, I will see you next time. Have a great day. Bye bye.